near Benson, and we're going to get a look at that video there. There it is. So here you go. It's always hard to tell with the trees to know if that's in contact with the ground, but, you know, anytime something's destroyed, clearly this was a touchdown of a tornado and a very dangerous situation earlier this afternoon. This is in Benson in west central Minnesota. Honestly, the threat for tornadoes was pretty low the farther west you headed, but that's where we saw these storms first trigger. Then they started connecting the dots, so to speak, toward the east with a line coming through the Twin Cities. We did have the tornado warning right over downtown Minneapolis as a rotating wall cloud was spotted. This is the only tornado we've heard of that's been confirmed on the... No, that's not true. There was the one near Melrose as well, near Highway 94. Otherwise, we've been picking up on a ton of rotation in the atmosphere along this line of storms. Let me show you again. We do have a tornado watch. That's what you're seeing in all of the yellow here. The gold is the active severe thunderstorm warnings, and the areas of concern are the red right now. These are all Doppler indicated. We're not getting reports of anything on the ground, fortunately, but we're still getting rotation in these areas, so it's a dangerous situation, and you need to definitely seek shelter. This watch will hold till 8. These counties will continue to drop from the south because this line is kicking to the north, 50 to 60 miles per hour. You see the concern from Moorhead pushing all the way north of the Twin Cities into Wisconsin with the active tornado warnings. Wisconsin, by the way, I don't want you ever to feel slighted. We cover Minneapolis, St. Paul a lot, of course, because it's a large metropolitan area, but I've got family in Wisconsin. I've got a daughter that lives in River Falls, so I'm very concerned right now with this tornado warning that's moving to the north through the Roberts area, Baldwin, New Richmond, where my daughter teaches school. Hopefully they are doing their tornado drills that I talk to her about all the time. But the active tornado warning right now, you can see for St. Croix County till 3:30, radar indicated. Take it seriously, get to those safe spaces. And the one that Mike just talked about just to the east, and this is the concern here. Look at this, just southeast of Roberts, we're seeing some very tight winds that are going in opposite directions. Again, moving to the north at about 50 miles per hour. So east of New Richmond, a big concern in the next several minutes. And then this one here too, near Durand, we're seeing a similar vibe where the winds are coming at different directions, which indicates that rotation, and that's heading right toward Menominee. Some of the western suburbs of Eau Claire will put the radar back on to show you the active thunderstorms in the area. And the rotation that's being picked up in these, and they're moving to the northeast at about 50 miles per hour. So here's a look at some of the towns you can see with Durand in the mix, Menominee in the mix at about 350 as they move to the north at a rapid clip, and then coming back to this particular storm to the west, that one will continue to push toward the Amory area as well. So nobody is really safe along this line because these little dust-ups, these tornadoes have been popping kind of randomly along the line and dissipating as quickly as they form. So we'll continue to keep a close eye on this until it gets farther away and finally starts to weaken as it heads up toward northern Minnesota. One positive note before I toss it back to Mike, no rain yet in the fire areas, but you can see that line will be passing, which will be a big benefit for those poor firefighters who have been working tirelessly on those fires. Mike?